Hey guys, how's it going? How to find saved draft videos in YouTube. So first of all, let's go ahead and create a draft by going to the plus button right here at the bottom middle, and let's take a video. Let's say, for example, a muted video. After recording that muted video, I'm gonna just hit cancel at the top left, and you're gonna be able right here to see an option to save it as a draft. I'm gonna just go ahead and save it as a draft. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and tap the plus button right here, and you're gonna see drafts at the bottom right here, and you're gonna be able to see the video that you saved before you post it or make any adjustments. If you want to post it, you could just go ahead and continue editing that post, or if you don't want to, click the three dots next to it and then just hit delete, and basically that's it. Okay, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.